Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your SEO KPIs for monthly client performance, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant data from the previous month. Log into your website analytics platform, such as Google Analytics. Review the key metrics you established in your initial SEO strategy. Identify your primary KPIs, including organic traffic, bounce rate, and conversion rate. Check the organic search traffic to your website over the last month. Compare this month's traffic to the previous month's data. Analyze changes in keyword rankings using a rank tracking tool. Focus on both targeted keywords and long-tail keywords relevant to your business. Assess the click-through rates for your top-ranking keywords. Review the pages with the highest and lowest performance metrics. Evaluate the bounce rate of your top-performing pages. Investigate the user behavior on these pages to understand engagement. Identify any technical issues impacting your site's performance, such as site speed or mobile friendliness. Look into the backlink profile of your website. Assess any new backlinks gained or lost in the past month. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to maintain an updated overview of your link building efforts. Gather information on conversion rates from organic traffic. Evaluate how well your SEO efforts are translating into leads or sales. Document any changes or trends you observe and compare them with your SEO goals. Meet with your team to discuss insights and areas for improvement during the month. Adjust your SEO strategy based on the data analysis. Update your SEO report to reflect the latest performance figures. Share the report with your client, highlighting key achievements and areas to focus on for the next month. Ensure to keep a record of these updates for future reference. Plan follow-up actions to address any identified issues promptly. Finally, set new goals and KPIs for the upcoming month based on your findings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.